want to show you guys this month's Rad Mail because it's really good. So, balloons, as you saw. There's two other ones. My kids stole them. I don't know. They're somewhere around here, but there's two other ones. Halloween themed that are super cute. This treat bag, I'm like giddy excited about it. All the candies, all the treats. You can also add more. So one comes with your box, but if you have multiple children, you can add more to your box, which is super cool. These treat bags, you see they say boo and spooky. So you can like fill it with cookies and goodies. Give to your neighbors, teachers. 3 come in the box. Then we have the cards. I just miss you, because sometimes you just miss people. You're sweet with like hello. Look at that. I love it. So you're sweet. Feel better. OMG. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. You just graduated. Oh my gosh, I love you. Oh my gosh, it's your birthday. Oh my gosh, you're amazing. For all the things. Oh, happy day. Could be used for birthday, wedding, celebrating, literally anything. So I always try to put in some cards that are like, oh, well, we need birthday cards. Like these could both be birthday cards, but they can also be used for something else, which is pretty awesome. Also, all my cards are blank inside, so you don't have to worry about like awkward, intimate insides to the cards. These stickers comes with 2 sheets. There are these like clear, super cute Halloween stickers. And this print, isn't it so cute? I love it so much. But super cute in a kid's room, in your office, literally anywhere. It says, I am brave. And then add-ons are these cute pumpkin pens. And if you've bought pens in my shop before, you know that these are amazing. They're like fine tip, but juicy. They're great. They're really great. So you can do this as an add-on and this as an add-on, and you have to make sure you add those before the 20th because that's when they start shipping. And yeah, there it is. This month's Rad Mail. So much goodness. It's so good. But I hope you guys love it, and I can't wait to see it show up in your homes. And I love you guys sharing it with your people and spreading the Rad Mail love. So thank you.